This elevator is funky as hell. Y'all, I'm still in like complete and utter shock.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Good morning. I am on my way to MOK. My client texted me and told me that she was in labor. I immediately called though. Like, I don't care how many times I tell y'all not to text me. Y'all still do it every time. Every single time. So, I'm about to be on my way there. And, yeah, let's hope for a fast delivery. About to head home from another successful birth. I'm tired. It's been a long 15 hours. Hey y'all. So this is my ending to a busy week. I am on my way to, today I have 2 postpartum visits. One is one of my clients' second one, and the other is the last one. So she just wants to update me. She doesn't need any like baby care support. She just want to update me on what's been happening since delivery. Because our very first prenatal visit was breastfeeding care and stuff. So I'm talking so fast because I've been drinking this, and I drink these when I don't want to drink coffee before going to visits because it ain't too cute to be using people's bathroom to poop. So, so I'll drink that to help me have some energy. But, yeah, my first client is just an update and things like that. And then my second client, we're doing baby care, little housework, and I'm gonna do a postpartum belly massage just to, massage down everything, any type of bloating that may be left and things like that, just to make mama feel pampered and things. So yeah, let's do it. Not usually. Back in the day, I used to sleep the whole next day after births. But yesterday, it was an early birth. So I got home, I ordered me some Annie's soul food, and then directly after that, I slept from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. this morning. I got me some sleep. So I have some energy. Plus, I didn't have that energy drink. So I am ready to have a pretty productive day. Okay. So I got my bags ready. I got all my little tools in case I want to vlog a little bit outside of my clients' homes. Not like literal outside of my client's home, but like if I'm at a coffee shop or something like that. I also bring my AirPods because I do have a video that I'm wanting to edit. And then I have, my good old Marc Jacobs work bag, where I keep my schedule, plan book, my MacBook, and my work computer. So, and then my Marc Jacobs bag, because I do have on black today. And yeah, gotta match. Let me show you what I got on. So, nothing too fancy. I have on my Black Maternal Health Week walk shirt from Beauty for Ashes. We marched through Overhill in Los Angeles with them this year, me and my son Jaden, which was an honor. And then I have on my Black Dads Matter pin because what's more fitting, and some Adidas because I want to be comfortable today. You know what I'm saying? Got a scarf on because I definitely need to redo my hair, and I'll be doing that tonight. So yeah, it's a comfy day. See, these jeans are oversized. I got them from Target, and they ain't too bad. They ain't too shabby. They ain't too short. Cause usually I can't buy pants in stores, but because this is oversized, it works for me. But anyway, you guys, I am about to head out. My first client is in Compton, so that's a blessing. Deuces.
Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, honey, and hug my babies. Woke up looking for the. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Woke up looking for the. Mr. Get off, I get off and my feet. Get off. Get off. Get off. Mr. Get off, I get off and my feet. Woke up looking for the get off. Woke up looking for the get off. Woke up looking for the get off. I keep a horn on me, that's my seat. Woke up looking for the broccoli. I keep a horn on me, that's my seat. Peak ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Get off, I get off and my feet.
Yesterday, y'all, I was on my way home, coming from seeing a client. Y'all know that I was having such an amazing day, and I am on the 405 North. Well, I'm on the 405 North entering the 105 East, okay? And I'm in traffic. So I'm sitting just like everyone else. Like, we're at a complete stop. And someone just smashes into the back of me. A part of me wish that I had been vlogging, but I wasn't. So, but he definitely smashed into the back of my car. Nor did I think that anything was like wrong with my car first until I drove off. Now I have every single light coming on in the car. And then secondly, I started to have really bad back pain around, he hit me like a 3, I think it was, and then I started to have really bad back pain like around 4. So I ended up taking myself to urgent, well, my partner ended up taking me to urgent care. Been having a headache since. So now I'm gonna go to the doctor again today. But y'all, like, what a way to fuck my summer up. Like, same thing happened around my birthday last year. Lady in the apartments, an older lady hit my car, tried to run. Ugh, I'm tired of this. I'm tired. I'm really tired. So my neck is stiff as a motherfucker. Just excuse my French, y'all, because y'all don't be hearing me, because y'all, I'm still in like complete and utter shock. I realize that I'm scared to drive right now, and a car just turned the corner. She just turned the corner. She didn't turn the corner dangerously, but she turned the corner as I was coming. It scared me. I hate it. I do not want to have a fear of driving because I do a lot of driving for work, you know. But I am a little terrified right now because you can just be sitting in traffic and someone hits you. You know what I'm saying? And I thank God. I thank God that, you know, I am in the type of car that I'm in. I feel like this car is really safe because it could have been more than some back pain and a headache, you know. Could have definitely been more. I feel like I am completely and utterly protected by God. You know, yes, this is unfortunate, but I'm grateful that I'm okay and I'm here and I can go to my son. I'm always, after something like crazy happens like this, I'm always grateful that I can go to my son and my son has me, you know. I definitely look a hot mess. I'm gonna have my coffee this morning. Hello there. I have to check in with my dad because we are going to Mississippi to see my dad next week. And I want to make sure that things are perfect, things are fine, things are great, so that our trip is fine, our trip is great. So I've been so far linking or trying to link my clients to the backup doulas. One hasn't really responded yet, so or is it both? I don't know, but we're gonna get that figured out today. And yeah, let's make it happen. Oh, and did I mention I have a postpartum visit today from someone that delivered in April. That I don't know, had some things going on, so they did not schedule any postpartum visits, but they scheduled yesterday. So I'm gonna go see her. Gonna figure out a postpartum plan, so we can get those visits out the way because baby is past 6 weeks at this point. So yeah, don't need to drag that out at all. What else? Need to start getting my my luggage and things out of storage. Jaden's luggage, my luggage. I really want to carry a backpack, but it is what it is. So got a lot to do. Hopefully we can get everything done this week. Like Jaden's haircut. Jaden needs a haircut really badly. And I need to make sure that all of the clothes that he needs to bring fits because he even had a growth spurt. So and honestly and truthfully, I wouldn't even take my vacation. I would literally still kind of be working, but no, I need to see my dad. And you guys, I am terrified of flights, but thank God my partner is doing this with me. It makes it a little bit less stressful. So yeah.
with my homies, trying to get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. Cause you know how it feels. I saw shorty, she was checking up on me. From the game she was spitting in my ear, you would think that she know me. So I decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow. Watch out! She was saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, yeah. Shorty got down and said, come and get me. Yeah. I got so caught up, I forgot she told me.
Devil, the movie's like all of it.
Nuh-uh, don't do that. No.
So she's all up in my head now, got me thinking that it might be a good idea to take her with me. Cause she's ready to leave. Well, let's go. And I gotta keep it real now, cause on the 1 to 10, she's a certified 20. But that just ain't me. Hey, cause I know if I take that chance, she swears it's gonna lead. But what I do is the way she dance, make shawty alright with me. The way she I'm like, yeah, just work that out for me. She asked for one more dance, and I'm like, yeah, how the hell am I supposed to leave? And I said, yeah. Shawty got down low and said, come and get me. Yeah. I got so caught up, I forgot she told me. Yeah. Her and my girl used to be the best of me. Yeah. Next thing I knew, she was all up on me screaming.
Somebody directing us. Where are we? Thank you. Oh, I hope I ain't getting no freaking cold. I said I hope I'm not getting a cold. Right. So they can sense energy, Jaden. Oh. Girl, boy.
I'm gonna be checking you.
I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Buddy, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a shot, Molly, bird, go, Rari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing no bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, dropping the lamb, all that bitch, I'm sorry.
Is it good, Kevin?
They call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio. I'm deep in the gang. Serve like rock, gang. Drop the top and blow the brain. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? Yeah. I need the dollars. Cha-ching, beat it up like Rihanna. Tell the drop, close the curtains. That make me nervous. Cardi B.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar, que va medio y se fue de cacho como Jimmy Nuka. Te vamos a tumbar. cara, no solo de tu mente. Donde quiera que viajes, escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el testa rosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Goza, es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira sufre y el que toca goza.
Thank you. Was always available. Taste there. Thank you. Jaden ate. Jaden just ordered a steak and some mashed potatoes, and he talked to you. He gonna hire you back up.
I know. You was all in my face.
Really?
I was like, get out my face, boy. How you know I'm not ready? I'm not ready. Where we going?
Merrill's.
Morrow's.
Merrill's.
Come on in, y'all. How y'all doing? Come on. I'm holding out good knees. Where the fat hands at? The blues song. Come on, let's go. Are we on the blues song tonight? How y'all feeling now? Make some noise. I feel good. I see.
This elevator is funky as hell. I don't know who stood they funky ass in this funky ass elevator, but it smelled like hot ass. It must.
Bounce that ass.
Bounce. Can of bounce that ass. And it's been smelling like that since we got here. Okay.